Go guys. Woo, it's exciting. So we haven't recorded in a hot minute, to be honest. So Nick actually went and took all the parts to paint, to get painted. So we ended up painting the front bumper, the rear bumper, fender. What else did we paint? Side skirts. Side skirts as well. We painted side skirts. We got all that stuff painted. Yeah, so pretty much we're gonna be putting together the front end today on this video. So like the fender, front bumper. We also have to install the radiator bracket. Let's go ahead, go grab the parts and show you guys what we're working with. All right guys, so here are the parts. These are the painted parts. So we finally get it all painted white. So we got the MSPORT rear bumper here painted white, as you guys saw. And I think one of my last videos, we picked up this Estoril blue MSPORT bumper, and now we got it painted white. And dude, this white paint,
it looks clean, huh?
It looks really nice. This is like one of the best paint jobs I've seen in a long time. Like, it's actually very, very nice. So very happy about that. And then also the front bumper over here, guys. So I just want to give a huge shout out to Kies Motorsports. They went ahead and sent out this front bumper for us. So without them, we wouldn't have gotten this front MSPORT bumper. So very, very excited about that. We still have to put it together.
Yeah, there's like a lot of pieces to come in to put it together.
Yeah, there's a lot of pieces that we have to put together. But yeah, so huge shout out to Kies Motorsports. I'll go ahead and leave a link down below. So if you guys want to get an MSPORT bumper for yourselves, you can do that.
It's definitely high quality, bro. Even when the guy was painting it, he said that like usually the primer on like aftermarket parts is like not the best. Yeah, but he said that this one was really easy to paint. So
that's great. Look at how it's so nice quality. Like the paint actually came out great. The whole bumper in general looks really,
bro, there's
really
like
good.
Nothing on this, like nothing wrong with this paint at all.
It's phenomenal.
We did get the fender painted as well, guys, because it did have like scuffs all around, like right here.
Dude, it looks really good.
Yeah.
So we got the MSPORT side skirts painted as well. I forgot about those, to be honest, but dude, the paint came out great. I'm very happy with that paint.
Yeah, look at this thing, dude. Okay.
All right, guys, so let's go ahead, install the front bumper. We pretty much have to put on a ton of parts, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now, so we'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, so we went ahead and installed a new battery. The next thing we have to do though is install these new positive battery terminal. I think that's what it's called. So the cables on these blow when they get in an accident. They blow like down there, and so we got to replace this. So we're gonna do that real quick. Alright guys, so we pretty much got the new battery in. So now what we got to do, I don't know if you guys can see all this over here, but pretty much we got all these plastic pieces have to go on the bumper. So all those pieces have to go on the bumper right over here. So we gotta put these on, and then once we put all these on, we'll go ahead and install it on the front. But actually there's a few things we have to install still in the actual engine bay. So we're gonna do all this stuff. A lot of it's gonna be time-lapse, but yeah. Alright guys, so we pretty much got all this assembled down here. So we installed these plastic pieces for the fog lights. We installed this grill right over here, and then that side as well. So now pretty much what we're going to focus on doing is in here. So we got a few things that we got to replace in here.
Guys, so pretty much these brackets right here that keep the radiators together are broken off. And then we need to put the bottom brackets together that will basically hold this radiator assembly and the intercooler together. We need to assemble this front bash bar right here. It's like a lower bash bar.
Yeah.
And then we're pretty much set to installing the front bumper. Yeah. So we're gonna install the fender and then the bumper, and this front end is gonna look amazing.
It is gonna look sick.
Bro, I'm excited.
I am too. Alright guys, so pretty much we're almost finished with all of these brackets down here. So we had to install a ton of brackets down here. Pretty much installed all of those. Now the next step is to go ahead and put the fender on. So we still have to put this fender on. Honestly, it shouldn't be too difficult. We just have to line it up.
Honestly, the most difficult part, guys, was putting this whole assembly together, because pretty much the brackets that hold the radiators, condensers together were pretty much broken off at the bottom. So there was no way for us to attach the intercooler, and there was no way for us to attach the lower bracket. So essentially we pretty much had to pull them out while they were on the car. So it took a bit of time, but we got all that done. We got the lower part done. As you guys could tell, we got the lower brace on here as well. So everything is sitting nice. I'm just throwing in some bolts here for the headlight bracket.
Yes.
And I'll pretty much be good to putting on the fender. Yeah. Or to installing the fender and then installing the front bumper. So
yeah, I'm excited for this.
Yeah, this should be dope.
So yeah, let's go ahead and install this fender real quick.
No, it actually came out good. Guys, so we pretty much had to take off this front lower bash bar, reinforcement bar, support bar, whatever you want to call it, but pretty much it doesn't fit. I don't know if that's like a base 328 thing, but it doesn't allow us to put all this on without removing that bar. There's like no way you're gonna fit it on right now. Yeah. So, but honestly, the fitment came out great. Dude, I love it.
Looks really good.
So I'm glad that we can actually get like the air ducts on and they're actually like functional. Because I was actually worried about that, guys. I didn't know that 328s come with like air ducts built in. So I don't know if they're built in or they're just the holes are there. I don't know. It's kind of funny, but
bro,
what?
Are you celebrating No Shave November?
Why?
Bro, you got like dirt run on your mustache.
Really?
Bro, it's hilarious, dude. It's still there. Bro,
actually,
it's really
bro.
It's actually
I gotta redo that,
bro, it's hilarious. No, leave it.
Alright guys, now that my face is clean, let's throw on this bumper. Oh, you want to put on the actually, should we put on the foam?
Let's see if it even fits, because I know mine it didn't fit, so we're gonna try this.
Looks kind of aftermarket as well.
Nah bro, we're not putting it on.
He didn't even try to put it on, bro. He said nah, bro.
It's not gonna look good.
You're right.
But guys,
bro, that bumper looks
amazing.
This
bumper, it's all painted. Kies Motorsports. Make sure if you guys want a bumper, check out Kies Motorsports down below.
Oh, bro, that looks so good. Oh shoot, bro.
Oh, I bet. Woo. All right, let's actually get this on.
Bro, it looks clean.
It looks good.
Actually looks so good with the gloss black grills, bro.
I know, dude.
Johnny,
it's like
what do you
piano.
say?
It looks like a piano now.
Yeah.
No, the white guys, like, honestly, the bumper fitment is really nice, but we are having a little bit of a problem. So right here, this headlight, we can't get it to sit properly. So I think we're just gonna have to buy a new headlight or completely take this one out. Realistically, I think we need to buy a new one because it's cracked over here, like really scratched up.
Well, it's not cracked, but it's pretty scratched up.
Really
so
scratched up. And then also we got to take off this hood and kind of like move it a little bit this way. So,
yeah, it almost seems like, guys, like it panned the hood like a little that way.
yeah, it looks like it's a little bit off, so we're gonna have to take that off. But the fender and the bumper, they look really good. I'm really happy with the quality of the bumper, guys. It looks really nice. We got it painted, obviously. It does come primered, but yeah, so it's painted, and now we're pretty much just waiting to fix like this situation over here and the fitment situation. But other than that, very, very happy with how this turned out. All right, guys, so I think that's pretty much gonna be it for this video because we're running out of time, to be honest. We gotta finish this up, and it's not fitting properly, but we are gonna get that fixed, just probably not this video. But I just want to give a huge shout out to Kies Motorsports for sending out the bumper, MSPORT bumper. Or if you guys want to cop one for your F30, definitely go check out the link down below. It will be right there for you guys. I think we're gonna go ahead and get some B-roll for you guys, show you guys what it actually really looks like. So let's go ahead, hop into that.